Hello and welcome to another Friday session by Concurate. So today is an interesting session. If I were to ask you to choose between your rent, your food or your medicine, what would you choose? That's a pretty difficult question, right? And this is a similar question which came up to billionaire Mark Cuban when he was starting out to create his new company. So what is Mark Cuban's latest company, which is called Cost Plus Drug Company? You see, Mark Cuban was reached out by a polymath and a doctor named Dr. Alex Osmiansky, who said that there was a better way that we could solve people's problem. He wanted to create a company wherein people could get access to life-saving drugs, rare drugs, at very cost-effective prices. But this was not the case in the current state of affairs in the pharmaceutical industry. So Mark Cuban said, why just rare drugs? Why not go for all kinds of generic drugs and life-saving drugs? So this is exactly what Cost Plus Drug Company set out to do. So the business model of this company is whatever price which the company pays to the drug manufacturers, it adds a 15% markup, a $3 handling fee to the pharmacy, and a $5 shipping fee. That's it. So what is happening is that earlier when people were paying hundreds and thousands of dollars for their medicines, they are now able to purchase the same medicines for pennies on the dollars, in like tens and twenties of dollars. So there are about 6 lessons which we can learn from Mark Cuban's latest company on how we can scale it. The first is leveraging virality. Now when you go to costplusdrug.com, you will see that all the prices which have been shown are about fraction of the current selling prices which regular manufacturers or regular pharmacies are offering. So this is helping the company leverage virality and spread its word by word of mouth only, and they don't need to set out dedicated marketing campaigns to spread word about their company. Second, it's about utilizing the power of community. Now if you look at Mark Cuban's Twitter profile, which is where all the word is spreading out, he has got about 9 million followers, and which means that every tweet of his carries a lot of weight. So whenever Mark Cuban tweets out regarding Cost Plus Drug Company, it reaches thousands and thousands of people, and these tweets, these 2 tweets screenshots are examples of the same. Third, it's about building your personal brand. Now Mark Cuban is a real life maverick who is the owner of NBA franchise Dallas Mavericks, and he has also invested in a ton of companies and is a regular cast on the Shark Tank. So, but you may think that he's a billionaire, how will I create a personal brand? Well, it's not so difficult. To create your own personal brand, you can share insights from your business interactions, your conversations, and just about how you approach your life. This LinkedIn post is a screenshot from one of my colleagues at my workplace and is a perfect example on how you can go about setting up your own personal brand. Then again, it's about spreading your customer success stories. Whenever people see social proof that yes, this thing is working, they are more than incentivized to try it out on their own, which no sort of advertising can replace. When people actually say in real life, yeah, this worked for me, you are definitely incentivized to go ahead and try it on your own. Then it's about reaching the right target audience. What I have observed is that Cost Plus Drug Company has reached out to different educators and doctors who have also carried out research studies which showed how much the US government could have saved if it had implemented cost plus drugs pricing policies and saved sums up to billions and billions of dollars. Then lastly, it's about conducting speaking engagements. Now I've observed that Mark Cuban has reached out to different publications such as Forbes or come on news shows such as this one in the screenshot by CBS News, and this has helped him reach the right audience and present the proper case for his company. So yeah, this is about it. These are 6 marketing principles that you can use to leverage and scale up your own game-changing venture. Concurate is a founding team-led boutique content marketing agency which helps medium-sized enterprises scale up through valuable content. Make sure to check out our more content on our YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.